Rema Obibia Akwaba about juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm the Bremo. Eye Kevin Taylor Wakasa Wadi and Sematuga. Ubaka Eye Ken Ofori Atta MPs B Emma Wana Homene so say Eye Ken Ofori Atta Modi Bo and Swani Itebaya President and Pamano. Na Sansemi Bepim necessary secure IMF loan. Ken Ofori Atta Obekwa na say onko. Kevin Taylor the ensem atuga. Na answer nebeko ensem we nyina message say so we subscribe to the channel na message say over subscribe o click subscribe button no na wabele notification we the sa video fufuru bia be upload no so wonsa ebeka bi. Afi we are now on my thumbs up. Na afi wa share ama fufuru so enye bi ahwe. Afi yenko ensem nemo. Eye Ken Ofori Atta be catch the Ghana for say we are not going to the IMF. And Simbri and Yako IMF. Na eye MPs be a one man one who so do na one free eye Ashanti region. Now one say eye Ken Ofori Atta be a president and Pamano is answer Modebono and Sweni. Na Mubeka eye Ken Ofori Atta bonds be a Bible flute biano or no only percentage boom and maybe yen Simbri say no, I don't know the only business benefited from Ghana. Oh Kopelua, Sika Benyano, now company yana share Emma, Ghana Full be Cassetti Asadiano, and I'm also and my MPC more and how many one said no, a beya a year, Akufo Addo and Pamo Ken Ofori Atta. Emma wanted to become a president, and now the Danka Akufo Addo. Emma president catch on so Ken Ofori Atta share a year, IMF loan who sent 70 and payment in deal no Ovia. The film nice to say a year loan, yes, Sácked, a year $3 billion US IMF. I'd say what the Bawumia says woman may move $600 million US. To see Ken Ofori Atta a finance minister Obekwa Annan onko. Na no na ye Kevin Taylor amana homen so awto bia ma eye MPs amosore ya amose ye mpamo Ken Ofori Atta. Sisi ye secure IMF loan. Ada na sisi mo edi amon kasa. Ene Kevin Taylor fa wa na ho anchom na wodi ensem bebre nara ene tubia. Ye semre no ye biti eye ensem ye Kevin Taylor edi tubia e fa ye sensitive ho. Kevin Taylor.
Now the question here is, Nanado Danko Akufo Addo, Ekatre say Ken Ofori Atta, the day we will secure an IMF deal, he will be sacked as a finance minister. Ghana for near we didn't know anything until the NPP MPs, 47 NPP MPs from the Ashanti region, including other MPs, making it about 90 NPP MPs in parliament. They came together and told Ghanaians that they don't want Ken Ofori Atta. Ken Ofori Atta is a criminal. He's a thief. He's using his data bank to make money out of Ghanaians. And that they are only a part of majority. No, they don't want Ken Ofori Atta to be our finance minister. Satana minority for they were in parliament. They were quiet. These 47 NPP MPs plus other 50 something, no, they walked all the way to Jubilee House and they went to see Akufo Addo because Akufo Addo yene efia santimemu yene edi enim yene ya santeforma otumfo na nane yene edi 90 we nim ye pese Ken Ofori Atta wo pam no omukodru eye Jubilee House no omuso mne Akufo Addo kokasaye Akufo Addo ahye omo sede se yenya IMF deal a yema Ken Ofori Atta endi Ghana fo enim enkope deal wo IMF wo na se IMF disasika na ma ye pe Ken Ofori Atta ebe pam no. Now as we speak today, Ghana for say Ken Ofori Atta etumi akọ IMF. Ken Ofori Atta no catch Ghana for say we will never go to IMF no. And as I speak to you, wetumi akọ IMF my IMF board finally they have approved a year 3 billion bailout at the Ghana. That means say ejuma na president Ken Ofori Atta also ye ansani apam no. Ken Ofori Atta has completed the job. That means President Akufo Addo asemo kachre NPP MPs ayenyina tie ya omobabe kachre no. The job has ended. The question here is, 47 90 NPP MPs na mo say mo de nukure mo Akufo Addo akasa ye be pam Ken Ofori Atta onya IMF deal na de na moka monkai sankofo we call IMF omoko MPs we call Akufo Addo obaye no. They were all over social media. They were all over the news. They were all over the place granting interviews and telling us Omni President Atenase. Let's listen to some of them. In some of after they met the president. Now in the Yembuso say, Ken Ofori Atta ejebo no yensaka IMF deal no. Why is Ken Ofori Atta still the finance minister? I'm expecting a letter from the Jubilee House tomorrow. from Nana Addo Kweku Addo MPP ni Bawumia to tell us say omo no ka kire ye say omo no ka kire ye ni Asante fo tumfo nananom MP say Ken Ofori Atta a break dealer. Ken Ofori Atta will be leaving as the finance minister. Moment question enkotie Asante fo MPP so mo ko ho de omo be ka kire ye yembu so mo say ende mo MP fo no mo election eba mo ka no kra na mo ka no kra. These are the things they said. We MPP Asante ni ba Asante fo ne de ba parliament or say obekasa.
He came, he explained, and he said the board level agreement was going to be achieved in March. So we are still waiting, because if anything should happen today, I'm sure the president will come and say, look, he's still dealing with the IMF, so bear with us. So we are waiting for him to deal with the IMF, get the IMF thing out of the way, get the board approval, and then see what will happen. We are not saying to the president that by all means remove him. All we are saying is we are making an appeal to the president that all is not well. And there's a tree saying that Bema Behebi, no I'm eating to wait. He's done his bit for his country, and the time has come for him to step aside based on his own pronouncements and his own performance at the ministry. That's what we are saying. If the president is an executive presidency, if the president thinks that, look, there's nothing wrong with him, he can carry on, that's fine.
So far, your group hasn't heard anything from the president in terms of the agreement you reached earlier last year, right?
No.
And have you made any representations towards him, or like you said, because the IMF deal has not been fully completed, you want to leave things at that until then?
That's all I've been urging colleagues to bear in mind, that he came to Parliament last week, that's the finance minister, Ken Ofori Atta, and told us that he was looking at achieving the board level agreement, the BLA, next month. So it's only next month. So we'll wait and see.
Inti, where Asantini MP, dear Boakye, or if assuming Asante pa pure, or can TV so? And continue Kweku Addo. The year before coming Akufo Addo Kasaye, MS Ken Ofori Atta any IMF deal now, March, Chum, April, May, and the Afa. It is us to be MP, we mon friend Busan say, Isiano, or Pesa Ken Ofori Atta ko, and as on Pesa Ken Ofori Atta ko. Na so sa petukura, unason, and as on, as a petukura.
He came, he explained, and he said the board level agreement was going to be achieved in March. So we are still waiting, because
Omwana Kojo Kyeremanteng on beka kire so mo Akufo Addo. Yenya IMF deal na Ken Ofori Atta beko yes up 90 NPP MPs no go parliament no. We want them to come today, come out and go to the Jubilee House again and say they are insisting Ofori Atta should walk. Let's listen to another Asanteman and Asantini MPP. Also ekasafa asem we hu. What you say Jimmy on?
Did you take money to change your mind?
Did we take money?
Yes.
You think we will do that? And I'm saying that I want somebody, one person, or anybody.
One person from where?
Anybody associated with any such person who thinks that he can give money. Anybody. If I hear anybody working for any of such persons, or if working for institutions.
We are speaking in a vacuum. Which persons and institutions are you talking about?
I am saying that if you are saying, were we motivated by money?
Yes.
I said no. But I want somebody from where you think they can bring money. Maybe from government.
Yes, but government is the only party in this case. Were you giving money by government to change your mind?
I want anybody from government institution, from institution owned by members of government. If, say, you are a minister of state or you are a government functionary and you own Joy FM, if I hear somebody from Joy FM making an allegation of that nature, that notwithstanding the fact that it's not coming from you, I will come out with information. I want somebody to do that.
Sorry,
now.
What do you mean by information? Information that you were bribed or you are not bribed?
I will come out with information that we are beyond the bribes.
So you were approached with bribe?
I am saying that we are beyond that. Our motivation is not the financial inducement. We don't have money in our pocket, but at least we have conscience. We will not reduce ourselves to that situation. And I warn you that though anybody who wants to attempt, please be advised. I'm sure we have sent this message to some people. They have sat upright. And I'm referring to situations of yesterday.
Yeah.
I am saying that we have sound enough warning to people who want to influence members of our coalition with materialism. It won't happen.
People are trying to influence you.
I have said that. I have proved to people. And I want to challenge anybody. Or listen, I'm saying that if I know that anybody in government owns even a business or owns even Joy FM, and Joy FM staff
owns Joy FM,
comes out to say that, or puts in on a platform, or puts in even on social media, we will see what will happen.
Now, I mean, so you're categorically denying that.
Yes, and I'm not.
Is it only, for you alone or for other members?
I'm not only denying.
Yes,
I'm challenging.
That anybody has evidence.
Anybody, I'm not denying. I'm challenging, and I want that challenge to come. And
then they say your backtracking is strange. It's not. You let.
I have not backtracked. Yeah. I have not backtracked, and I'm not afraid to say it. I have not backtracked, and indeed, I'm only giving respect to what my majority caucus.
Respect. And the majority caucus and the people. Well, we more. For 90. And also from another statement. MPP we are for the DNM. Also on to Minkasa. When you are Bontungu, second for your TV IMF no. Munipa 90 na mosa light sem ponche eko jubilee askoji sikadi no. Monsan sala ko kanche president say Ken Ofori Atta ejabe no ejane nya bedu. And then we break IMF deal ni nyina yehu ya pepa yen safe hu sikade krese na adwene betom. Ken Ofori Atta NPP MPs majority or say Chemensa Kronfori di enim. Mo sorry until I walk out of parliament because the NDC wanted your help to make sure we change the finance minister. And today, every nonsense is on your lap. Mema Jimini Bianco Tina Radio soon can say the minority NDC for NSA Ghana economy. And that the ejabo ejana NDA. Mwanga sana mobeka chire say Ken Ofori Atta should finish. We are not going to vote, no. Ken Ofori Atta is done. Now we want you people to come out and tell us, say, you want the president to fire him in 24 hours. In chain, now we send them back. Subi Empina na so ketekete se apotokurano. Se kajetia on constituency. What would you see wo? Kajetia for muntua light bra ho chire gu omo so. Wasa betena parliament and waswa eyedien. Waswa taxes akogu kajetia santifo so. Oswa ro bobota yellow abetena tra kan kwase asem. Aho chire nipa ko me hedum so ekoso Ghana. Why was so potokura be gina wana ai odi endien subin enye ho na kajetia wo. And the kajetia traders omutumi tua light bill aho chire mo sa so na mo jimi abetena nkran na mo pass law mo pass bill mo pass taxes na nsia mo de $700 million abegu Ghana for so mo ya na madana mo akotena radio so Ashanti memu mahama de onye alternative mo hwinim na alternative mo de aho chire kogu mu nkofo no so wi a na mo dana mo ne yeka monim a mo sie de otumfu atem kwase ade na mo be ne won kran mo ba na mo betena nkran na mo be pass taxes mo be pass bill na Ghana for wo chire mo na Ashanti for mo digwa na ebre mo wi na obepa moto mo dia jantra for da wi a na obegina kuma say ye dia Ashanti for and mo beto amanta for de mo ntoma ye na mo jimi sa na nipa ho chire mo Ashanti memu Ken Ofori Atta we wie IMF no Ken Ofori Atta we wie IMF no. The question is simple. Sesia no ye pese hu say da ben na Ken Ofori Atta ye be pamono as the finance minister. This should be a question. This should be what we'll be discussing from tomorrow because we are taking the word of the president and we are also taking the word of the political party in power and we are taking the word of the political party in power. They are MPs in parliament and the majority of the MPs of this political party are MPP no. We are not going to sit here young boy slim cast dear mom kaya no mano asem na de bebu some questions and the bragana na behwe baby a light off dum so aba baby a light off and so and the bra parliament behwe sa MPC abesa akose yen some pass taxes na nkwase afo mu yoma kotena santimemu se ye de ye MPP fo nti montoma ye na sebio mini anama santifo ni biso akakra giminti na mu de omachi adentira ye koyi hene instead say okoto aba ema taxes aba form impuntu aba no na me nuanom asantifo kuma kakra bi omagimi no na omudi san kwasiafo echi to aba na ho ntow ene kokaje te kohwe amanfo dwa nyina yatotum and the light e wo nyina yetwam nipa nya sikampontua light bill na woto aba ma ho kire wana sa woto aba di yie woto aba ema ho kire ana sa woto aba di yie mama ye ma party njimiye into otena mo sore na mo betena radio so Ashanti no butwa ntro a mo kan kire mo se hey asemesie ye de to aba ma ko nkran kodi agyantrafo mo se Akufo Addo se Ken Ofori Atta nya IMF deal a obepam no mo na mo de call ye mo nsan ko kan kire ne so mpam no na mo nja jimi no. So it's very, very important. Yeah, massage we nko ye ne ye be gina mo so a kopim se no kure no or the right thing is done. Ye ne no ye be gina mo so because ye ne tua mo taxes ye ne hwe mo nkorodo yare a ewo wo mo hunya ye ne tua ho ka nti you have the right to ask you questions. We are the taxpayers. So we got a whole problem. Electricity Company of Ghana almost so at the Asemia Betuja Sawunima Michechim Obuase for the light of 3 days and then yes so momo. It is very important so beti as I said doom so ho. People have been saying said doom so crazy. And the Oko radio so people don't discuss doom so.
Watching juicy news
those
on
people
YouTube,
who are on the street demonstrating and the omuna juicy news on YouTube, and you line phone lines. Bare 10 minutes. Now me catch a Ghana for someone free. Why you do more lighter? You see all over the nation. Adentina MPP te so na asemusina ye nyina ye bra obi ampe so bekasa. Adentina MPP ete so na se nyoma eseya obi ampe so beka. And the papa kofo ofiri aban mu e na catch GBC for say the crown of boy ye nyina ye cover ye nyina omon pepa free TV so and the oko GBC archives mu a kofo document ba company wo. And then when you go on the internet, Kufo made sure say chrono of a boy and that is how the NPP is built. Their manifestos oh you Kufo 2004 manifesto 2000 Kufo manifesto because they are trying to protect Kufo. The same thing and the NPP now also dumso jinem amount for a bread people are struggling. Ye busa Ghana for say at the end of the doomso nya a problem. At the end of the doomso na e kosoma amount for ho chiro no yen ka ho asem aden akani na tisuntra na MPP na tisunti anya topic ekua poki eya Italian money box eya Kofi Adoma awani Kofi Adoma de onima na say wakofa obi abetena TV no so no keka nsem hu na won stop no de unim ya no my team now warning me pa critically not to say something and can make asem me. My team, they've been warning me, say Kevin, there's some things we will have. So particular, all the men come and call. Now next time, no, and it is a warning to Kofi Adoma. So Kofi will be able to studio ho. Now make sure say, as son of a busano no, nipano studio ho na mwono. Ejato ho obehun to kura efemako. Busa ho ansa no busa nipano kwasi asem na kan kwasi asem. Nipa ejato daima ohun to kura efemu nko no. Ye musa no eye nsem a ofo ne hu ye. It's very important. As we sit in Ghana today, no, and the Ghana and some here Ghana media, and Oko Sempa, Oko TV so Metro, Good Evening Ghana. They don't talk about doom so and the ECG for Nankasa Beka. DNA do so nekoso. The Public Utilities Regulatory Commission (PURC) has announced an 18.36% increase in electricity and natural gas tariffs for all consumers groups following its review of the second quarter of 2023. This decision was made in order to prevent prolonged power outages. So I'm informing I must say this decision was made in order to prevent prolonged power outages and the associated negative impacts on employment and livelihoods, while also trying to minimize the effects of the rate hike on customers. PURC for say, and the Oma to Kanium. Menoka say, Akufo Addo abai 2023, Oma to Kanium premium. Now, the Kudianti almost Oma to Kanium say, Nina say, ECG phone is sikada ho. Inti light na edundum no, sikasem, dien, Omokan is saying, Doomso is not it's not a money problem, it's a wisdom problem. As we speak today, Doomso is a money problem, it is not a wisdom problem. Mensa otabo no fracatins and ojina stage and all your politics. Time and mahama teso. And the PURC for say, Doomso na moheno, anamuhuno, sikasam enti eno matum, omo pesamo. Ghana for no mutia dodoɔ wɔ light mu sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a yɛbɛnya sika ɛde ayɛ den asɔm ka ne yɛsi so. Brɔfo a mekenkan yɛ no soamefoɔ asekyerɛ no enti mumbusa mo sɛ dum so na ɛba mmerɛ bi no na yɛ sikasɛm anaasɛ yɛ nyansa. Because na mensa otabo ka kyerɛ Ghana for say oh dum so na mahama wɔ so na ɛwɔ mu no na ɛnyɛ sikasɛm na ɛnyɛ sikasɛm na mmom na President Mahama nim nyansa. And PURC any electricity company of Ghana ka kyerɛ say light na dundum no sika ni ho intina light ni dundum yentumi ntɔ gas yentumi sustain energy no intina and ya to kanea mu into kanea no ya tum 18.36% mobile betia kanea more and Akufo Addo into sa mo mensa otabo konfo na nam Ghana so esofo no mon friend mra musa ne say and the dum so no PURC ni electricity company of Ghana say sikasam odwene ho sen ne nyankopon na ode ne gisika no de na ne nyankopon na ka kire no mama akromfo we gigigi Ghana ehyehyehye kasok etwetwetwa montro egigi musika Sunday bia magimi nti Yesu Kristo oba ote asori Yesu Kristo obetna asasi so a mo se o preach for wiase 33 years no mo te se we bia asori ege title ho ate mo te se Yesu we bia asori ene eto mo na nipa kakra bi de o ma za ene o ma dwene ene o mu bu mu fa so. Inti Ghana for ma menkyerɛkyerɛ mu nkyerɛ mo dum so na mu kɔ mu sisia no enye bibia aban ni niska o mo diska no inti dum so no eye man made sika na pomu o mo di Akufo Addo mo di inti mo ba betua more light bill eno ye me na makose enya aban a oteso a mo gimi ntina saa de ne koso obi abe solve dum so obi agya machines obi agya plants obi create ye the Ameria ba and the Ameria to be sia santimemu Mumbo ho brakeke muntumi nye Agyarko kromfo no nam Ghana pe president di Ameri oni Gabi ne Akufo Addo mko wia sika ne eche omo ho eno mu ye no mpamo Agyarko yebusa se de enti ne pamo so mko busa president bodamfo we ono ubusa ne question obema answer jandam pastors jandam people omo Ghana jandam journalists ena muguo na nkwase asem na atro ena mu di kire Ghana fo ende soamefo bantamafo eye mo amowo South Central so hwan na ebre hwan na ebeto light dodo hwan ban na wo so me debia me ka kire mu me say punching neighbor punching tree etua onyonko ho etua duam ene de tua ye ne ankase ye ho ntadua mu etua adjust panum me boa Yvonne Nelson DKB eye calibus any community for no kan ho no Jimmy omo Ghana street to say ye demonstration where are those fools can they come out and demonstrate today what changed because Yvonne Nelson when I say peace Yvonne Nelson why when I say on hini bia also yama the peace too sure when I say too sure brother be demonstration see it ya muji say Jimmy and anka me ni fra and anam we duro bi me tosha fridge ma e duro no say the wato ni nyina do sana saba fa 99 say peace no and as 99 say too sure no fa be demonstration yet Ghana ha me ka kire mo so bia be hu ni de 99 say too sure ti Ghana ke kan kwase asem
yo etie for winning and some Kelvin Taylor edit to the bro HMB breso Ken Ofori Atta say wo magana secure IMF loan no na the president Nana Akufo Addo obepamona na we na MP sa when do free Ashanti region when can say Ken Ofori Atta the model and so any and a president chiro say what share IMF dey na see dey on try money wie say IMF dey no Ghana and Sácked na the president Nana Akufo Addo obepamona na the can say GC so and na wo hwe oso betini akire wadwen afa ensem we nyina ho e wo comment box ni wo beti menka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.